As a child, having an engineer as a parent and getting involved in mechanical things really led me into it.
I think for me, it's obviously quite a man environment, so it's a bit unusual. But I've always loved maths and I've always loved science, and it's just been a really interesting industry to me, and I like the challenges of it.
For me, I think for a lot of engineers, it was a bit of a family business. My dad was an engineer. My older brother, he began an engineering apprenticeship. For me, it was just like the logical step where to go, really.
I got into engineering through the classic sandwich course, going through universities, sponsored by a company. And to this day, it's the applications that I find fascinating. Not that as a company we make threaded inserts, but it's everywhere that they're used. That's what I find interesting.
When I came to V2, what inspired me was the concept, really helping people's lives in terms of decarbonising the future. That is something that's really, really important to V2 and also to me, so my personal values as well.
I always wanted to essentially see the things that I'm designing, and that's why I went to engineering into manufacturing. And I believe that's something that still fascinates me today, to be able to touch and feel what I'm building. But I also believe that engineering will help us to engineer, let's say, a better world.
You're constantly facing challenges, and it's up to your own ingenuity to answer those questions. It's not always easy, and I think you find most engineers are good at solving any problems, whether it's organisational, financial, as well as just mechanical, because that's their thinking. They're there to solve problems and it's working out. There's always a way around it. It's just finding what the best compromise is to do that.
I just think it's a brilliant opportunity to get involved in a whole new way of procuring your tooling, and I think it's really exciting.